how to make PDF file from photo on your Android device. For that, open your album, photo album, gallery album, then go to menu, then press on setting, and under setting, you can see the about gallery. Then you can see the version number. So you have to press on version number 7 times like that. Then your gallery labs is enabled. Now go back, then go to your gallery labs. And under gallery labs, you just need to enable save as PDF. This one. Enable save as PDF. Now go back. Now select any image. For example, this image and this image or this image. And if you press on create, then you can see it save as PDF. Now you have to press on save as PDF. Now select default. Now it's processing. Now go back to your file to check. Go to file, go back, and then you can see just now this is the PDF file. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.